Hello, I'm Steve from K&T Heating, and I'm going to guide you through some potential fixes to help you if your boiler is not working. This may assist and save you calling out an engineer. Firstly, let's check to see if you have power to your boiler. Are there any control display lights on the boiler visible? Is the power off? If so, are there other appliances affected? If they are affected, you will need to check your main electrical fuse board. Is the main switch off or any switches in the off position? After turning on the switches, check to see if you have power by trying a socket or a light switch. If you still have no power, then you need to call out an electrician. Having established that you have electricity, check your boiler and controls. Are there any control display lights on the boiler visible? If yes, then the boiler has electricity. Ensure that the boiler hot water thermostat is set to 60 degrees. Has the boiler gone to lockout? If so, you will see a red light, a flame with a cross on it, or a possible fault code. If so, press the reset button. Having established we have electricity to the boiler and it's still not working, we now need to check the gas supply. Check if you have gas available on other appliances. For example, is your gas hob working? If not, check your gas meter. If you have a card meter, has the card run out of credit? Check the gas emergency control valve. This is usually by your gas meter. It may have been accidentally turned off. If the emergency gas valve has been turned off, we recommend that this is checked by a gas safe registered engineer to ensure there are no other gas safety issues. Please call out your K&T Heating engineer. Ensure that the control timer is set to continuous for hot water. Check the hot water tank or cylinder for a thermostat. This controls the hot water temperature, and this is set to at least 55 degrees to ensure demand. If your boiler or hot water is still not working, please contact a K&T engineer as the problem will need further investigation. If you are aware that you have an electrical immersion heater in your hot water tank or cylinder, you may be able to turn this on at the switch adjacent to the hot water tank. This will allow you to have hot water while your boiler is being fixed. Condensing boilers include an additional pipe, normally white or grey plastic, coming from the boiler. Don't worry if yours doesn't, as you may not have a condensing boiler. The plastic pipe removes condensation. This pipe can be connected into the kitchen waste or sometimes to a drain outside. During exceptionally cold weather, the plastic pipework outside can become frozen, and this will stop the boiler from operating correctly. If the plastic pipe outside is at low level, you can help to defrost it by pouring warm but not boiling water over it. This will assist in removing the ice blockage. Once defrosted, press the reset button on your boiler. This should start its operation and provide you with heating and hot water. You should only ever attempt this defrost process if the outside pipework is at low level. If your boiler fails to function after your attempt to defrost the plastic condensate pipework, please contact a K&T Heating engineer.